Thank you very much. Can we give her a big hand? Yes. She's very right. Each child is a unique child. Each child is different. It's not a, something a cookie mold where you are shaping the children in the same mold, shape, right? Individual differences are there in children. And we were having CBSE evaluating the children by a written exam and that too in the final. Like 10th class, the child has got, suppose, due to some reason, he was not able to appear for the exam, or suppose he didn't do well in the exam because he lost his father, or, that day he was not sick, he was not well, then he could not get good subjects in class 11 because he fared poorly in the exam. Yeah? 3 years and you give the whole assessment that the child is not good. Do you agree with me that there is not a single child on this earth who is born with zero ability? At least I have not experienced that. Right? Every child is differently abled. Right? Some children are good at listening and learning. The others are good at doing and learning. Some others are good at reading and learning. Some others are good at creativity. Some at critical thinking. So why not assess them in different ways? Right? This was the question in front of CBSE. Then, Swami Vivekananda, he said, is education only about getting degrees or creating professionals? Or is it something more than that? Do you all agree?
Something more than that.
Something more. What is that something more?
To make all-round development in the personality of the child.
Okay. So we call it holistic development of children should take place through the education. And Swami Vivekananda said education is not about, getting the parrots, rattaification. Oh. He said the education should teach children vinamra bano, sahasi bano, Shaktishali bano. That means his inner strength should be developed. Right? He said the children should not just have knowledge, but they should have a good character. So, if we talk on role of teacher, well, here I take an activity with you. This is the paper. I make it fall down. It doesn't go very far. Can I do something to this paper so that it travels very far? Maybe it goes in the sky, or maybe it crosses the boundary of this classroom. What should I do to this paper? Okay, make an aeroplane, or a kite, or a boat, or a ball, or make a letter, scan it, mail it. Within a second, it can reach US and UK, right? So, what have we done to the paper? What have we done to the paper? We have given it a shape, we have molded it, we have used certain skills and techniques so that the potential of the paper changes into performance. This is the role of a teacher. The child has many potentials, but it is the role of the teacher to shape that potential into performance, right? Now, how does the teacher do that? That's a task, right? Making a stone a diamond, right? So let's